G'day Mazda CX-5 owners. Stick around to the end because I'll break down the real costs, plus give you tips for dealing with dealers and shops and compare Mazda's fix to aftermarket options. First, let's talk about why your CX-5 headlights might be fogging up or looking hazy inside. Environmental factors like heavy rain, car washes, and big temperature swings can cause moisture to build up inside the headlight housing. Here's the technical bit. Headlights are designed to breathe through vents, but if the seals or vents aren't perfect, or if the anti-fog coating inside the lens is weak, moisture sneaks in and gets trapped, leading to water spots, streaks, or persistent fogging. Sometimes it's worse on one side, making your Mazda look uneven or older than it should. Some owners report the passenger side is more prone, possibly due to design quirks or how the car is parked. Mazda released a technical service bulletin, not a recall, about this. It's TSB 09041223, covering certain 2017 to 2023 CX-5s. The root cause: the anti-fog coating inside the headlight just isn't holding up, especially in humid or rapidly changing climates. So how do you check if your headlights are affected? Here's a quick step-by-step. First, inspect your headlights in daylight. Use a flashlight to look for fog, water spots, or streaks inside the lens. Wipe the outside. If the marks don't come off, it's likely inside. Compare both sides for differences. Some owners try temporary fixes, using a hairdryer or heat gun to dry out the headlight, resealing the edges, or adding silica gel packs. These might help short-term, but if the anti-fog coating is compromised, the fogging usually returns. Mazda's official fix is to replace the entire headlight assembly with an improved version. But what about aftermarket alternatives? Aftermarket headlights can be cheaper, sometimes half the price, but quality varies. OEM parts guarantee fit and finish, but cost more. Used assemblies are an option, but may have the same issue down the line. If you're under warranty, the dealer should replace the headlights for free if they confirm the problem. Out of warranty? Here's where you need to negotiate. Dealers may quote $1,500 to $2,000 per headlight. Independent shops can be $700 to $1,400 per side, especially with used or aftermarket parts. Ask for price matching, goodwill assistance, or to supply your own parts. Many owners on forums suggest documenting the issue with photos, being persistent with your dealer, and sharing your experience online. Some have had luck getting partial coverage even out of warranty. So, have you battled foggy or water-spotted headlights on your CX-5? Share your story in the comments, what worked, what didn't, and any tips for fellow owners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community for more real-world Mazda advice. Cheers.